Are you tired of constantly switching between apps just to check the scores, whether it's the final minute of a match or a big game day? I'm going to be showing you how to pin live scores directly to your Android home screen so that they float over any app you're using. No more refreshing, just real-time updates while you browse. So let's dive in. This is easy to set up. On your Android phone, you want to open Google Chrome or you want to open the Google app on your phone. And then search in the search section for the club you want to keep updates with. Now, if there is a match currently playing, you will see the match as it's playing live and you see the option to pin live scores. To pin, simply tap on this and you get these floating live scores. So you'll be able to minimize and do anything you want to do with your phone, as well as even move this around your screen. You can also drag this to the bottom if you don't want it to be on your screen to remove it. Now, while this is on your screen, you can tap on it and you get updates about the match. You can also automatically pin future matches so that when they start, you automatically see them pinned on your screen. Now, lastly, you can also tap Start News and More to get more updates about the match. And you also get cool animations to show you who the winner or if there is a yellow card and many more. So let me know in the comment section if this feature is useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. This will help the channel keep growing.